Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today I got something new. Got me a little cheap car off of Banggood. A little K-Truck. So, still in a box here. I'm not going to do an unboxing, none of that. I'll just get it all opened up and show you what we got inside here. Pretty cool. Comes with batteries, everything. It's upside down, but you see I got blue. Let's see how it looks. Give me just a minute. Pretty cool little truck. Spare tire under there. I went ahead and got the optional drift truck. So it comes with a body kit that kind of covers all that up, and that's here. The only thing I don't really like is this is just like a molded plastic, so you see little stuff like that. It's not actually painted, so it's not even glossy. Like this is like a metallic glossy paint. So I mean, that is what it is, but definitely changes the look of it with those on there. So I'm probably still gonna run it anyways. It looks kind of plain like this. That'll look pretty neat. It comes with a back bumper and a front bumper as well to replace that black one. So that black bumper would come off and this would go up in there. I think that would be pretty cool. Also comes with a little roof rack, or not a roof rack, like a luggage rack. Some mirrors. Gotta put all that on there. Not sure what this is for. Oh, this has got some kind of chrome parts for that, and this is what I don't know about. I guess you gotta glue these on, and just little wheel arches. So yeah, I'm gonna start messing with this, and I'll show you guys how it goes. So just kind of give you an idea what it is here. It's pretty neat. You know, underneath it's pretty plain. It's kind of a cheapy, not really hobby grade, I would say, but you know, rubber tires. Honestly, not even sure if I'll be able to change those or what. It's kind of neat. It's got leaf springs. The spare tire turns and it opens up a battery compartment. That's where you put the battery, which it came with 2 of, which is cool. That's about it. Pretty neat though. This is where that little rack it came with goes. Alright, let's try putting it together. So it's pretty cool. It comes with all this stuff. Try to see about getting some of it snapped in there. The back bumper. I don't know if this stuff screws on or what. Guess you gotta take the spare tire off because that gets in the way. Can't put this on with the spare tire down there. I guess it kind of does. Huh. That's interesting. Side skirts are pretty easy. Slap a couple screws in it and it's done. That looks neat. I mean, I think it looks better than that. Let's do this side. So it just has a few hooks, and then it hooks underneath the body, and then you got a couple screws after, one in the front, one in the back. Yes. I need to get me a screwdriver so I can take that thing off. Okay. So it's got these weird little hexes, which kind of sucks. I wonder how I'm going to be able to put a new wheel on it. I have to get some converters. Hopefully someone's made one already. Alright, now that I got the spare tire off, this ought to fit in there really good. There it is. Pretty neat. One thing I do see is that it's got the little lenses to put lights in it. Probably gonna have to do that. The little muffler tips. Should have put those on first. Wow. Comes with this bag of screws so you can put it all together. It's different. Now it looks like getting the front bumper off is just, you just pull it off. So let's give that a try. Wow. There's the front bumper. Interesting. There it is. These, I guess, just glue on here. He's got some of these longer screws just come in these holes. We're using my screwdriver and it came with one. Little hoopty. Oh, check it out. Oh, that would have been too cool. Come with this little metal. These are, I don't know, they look like they're metal. Pieces of aluminum with a stick on the back. For the mirrors. Well, one's got a shiny finish, the other one's flat. Messed that up pretty good. I'll have to fix it later. There we go, mirrors on. Give me these little lenses. There we go. There we go. That's pretty much it right there. I guess you have to glue these on, which kind of sucks, to make it match. I might just go without them for now, at least. And with stickers and everything, I'm just gonna hold off on that. I still gotta get this bumper screwed on somehow. So I finished up the rest of the body kit off camera. I had to take the cab off to get the front bumper screwed on. But basically, once I got all that, it turned out pretty good. Here's a few pictures. I'm going to look into getting some adapters so I can put some drift wheels on it. And maybe upgrade the motor and electronics. But for now, here it is. I'm going to take it outside and drive it around in my driveway a little bit.